Hey guys, today must be the delivery day because I just got my Lily Jade order. I just posted a video showing you unboxing my Black and Bloom and gingham style order from Jujubee. So about an hour after I did that, my Lily Jade box arrived with my Danielle and a few other goodies inside. I also have a package from an Australian leather bag and accessories company called Wanderers Co. I'll put their link down in the description below. So they had a second sale, so I thought I would try one of their bags because it was half off. So that arrived as well. So I think I might do that one first and then I would do the Lily Jade bag because that's the big one, right? Okay, so here's my Wanderers Co bag. So this came in a nice, first time ever getting one of these bags. It comes in a really nice dust bag. And I will see how it is because being a seconds bag, it could have had some defects to it or just things in the leather or in the zipper. So I'm hoping that whatever I got is all right. It's one of those gambles, but it was half off, so I thought I'd give it a try. Ironically, I got this in the blush as well. Oh, this is really nice. So this is going to be more of a handbag. Okay, so here I can see what they mean by seconds. So on the back here, there are some marks, and there are some marks also on the front. But you know what? It's not that bad. I might actually see if I can get any of those out. Oh, there's some on the straps as well. Okay, but it is full leather, so it does have a little handle here. Hopefully the zipper's okay. The zippers was the one thing that I was kind of iffy about. Okay, and then there's the inside there. So I will give this one a look over, but I just thought I'd unbox it with you guys because this just looks a little dirty, so I might actually be able to clean this up a little bit. I've got some really good leather cleaning stuff, but it is quite nice. It's a nice little handbag. So I'll do a review maybe down the road of this one for you guys. All right, so here, the main event, I have my Lily Jade box. There are a few things in here for another Australian lady too, so it's not all mine in here. First thing on top, I have a messenger strap that I ordered for the other lady. So put that one aside. I also ordered 2 essential cases, one for my friend and then one for myself, and these were on sale, and these are their brandy essential cases that are so nice. that are like a rectangle, so with the gold hardware and the red interior. So this is really nice for putting makeup in, or I was thinking maybe using this to put all my little mommy things in when I pack my bags, because it does have a zipper on the inside as well. So I will do an up close look on these ones later on, but that's really nice. It has the gold hardware and the gold nameplate there. Now I also ordered some packing cases. So it comes in packaged like this, right, and then it comes in a dust bag as well, which is kind of nice, just like the other bag. Now I would have rathered the Jade, but that was pre-order and I didn't want to wait till June to get it. So I got the tan, I guess, and I've heard so many awesome things about these. The zipper was actually really nice. So there's 3 sizes, so this is the large, and they do have a strap here that can be detached. See right here? So you've got the detached bit there, and it's really nice, yeah. So that's the large, and then you've got, because they're plastic, they're stuck together. There's the medium, and of course the small. So yeah, so there's the 3 sizes there. I'll just experiment with these and show you guys how I can pack these up for what I use. Here it is. Ooh, here's my Danielle. Is it a nice dust bag as well? Oh, it's so pretty. That's a really light pink. Really, really nice. Oh, it's soft. That's light. Very, very pretty. So it's got the gold hardware as well. So let me just take some of these tags. That comes right off. Off here. Okay, so I took everything off the outside so you guys could see that. So you got the Jade beads. Very pretty. And you've also got a zipper in the back here, which is quite big. So I'm pretty sure I could fit my wallet in there. Jade lining. So pretty with the pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on the inside. Now these are part of the lifestyle collection bag, so they don't come with inserts or anything. So this is really kind of a handbag kind of style, which is what I got it for. I'm sure I can fit some nappy stuff in here, kid stuff if I wanted to. So it does come with a messenger strap. Here is the jade. So that's really nice. Yeah, I really like that. Interesting to see how much I can fit in there. So it's really pretty. So what do you guys reckon? Do you like it? I like it better than the Fawn Design pink. It's a lot lighter. The Fawn Design pink was very pink, and a friend of mine has it now. The Fawn Design mini I had, and she loves it. She was telling me how much she loves it. So, oh, so soft. That smells good. I'm gonna go condition it and water spray it and all that jazz so I can use it tomorrow. So I will do some packing videos, of course, down the road, guys, to show how I can pack this up for a handbag and as a nappy bag, a diaper bag. I'll also show you guys how I pack the cases as well, how they would fit into this bag and other Lily Jade bags. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.